I hear we're recording. There it is. Okay, so first of all, just want to introduce myself once again. I am Mr. Cheeks, aka Mr. Take Profit in the Discord, also known as Uncle Phil for some of my one-on-one students because I fill up banks. You know, that's how we do. I make sure people get profit. I make sure people know what they're doing in this crazy world of trading. Now, first things first, let's talk about this Discord that we're in, and that is presented this one-on-one. Can everybody see my screen? I just want to make sure I'm still sharing.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Now, the Discord is basically like TikTok, but it won't get banned. Queen Flex is the owner of this Discord server, and she runs it. This is her business. This is what she does 24/7. I myself am a part of this Discord. We also have Bam that's in the building. He's also a part of the team of the Discord. We have 4 mods. And let me see who else is in here. Yep, Diamond Hands Bam. He is part of Discord. He is in the chat right now. We also have Mr. Tavon, who's also another crypto expert, to say the least. But to start off with the Discord, the best thing about this is it's a community of traders. Not all traders are built the same, meaning not everybody has the time to trade. Not everybody has the skill set to trade at a high level. So with this Discord, we basically bridge the gap for all that. We have people at a high level of trading. We have people that can teach at a high level and also get you on the right path of what you're trying to do. So I'm going to start off with a couple of things that we do in the Discord, which is the live class that we offer, meaning you can get a live class each week, maybe 3 to 4 times a week, depending on the mod situation. But 9 out of 10, you'll definitely be able to get 2 classes per week with no problem. And those classes consist of learning how to trade, reading a chart, going through different plays, going through your portfolio. We also do budgeting, excuse me, budgeting classes to help you understand how to be able to dollar cost average per week, even though you might be on a tight budget. There's a lot of people who has a 9 to 5, and there's nothing wrong with having a 9 to 5, but we have to make that 9 to 5 work for us with the money that we make from the 9 to 5. Because as long as we don't make money while we're sleeping, we'll always be working. So with this right here, you get an hour class, and like I said, the classes are set to the day and time. They will be added right in here for you. So this comes with the Discord. This is no charge extra. Now we also have one of the main top things in the Discord is our trade alerts. Now in the Discord, we do stocks and cryptocurrency, not just cryptocurrency. We also do stocks, options, stock futures. The only thing we do not do in the Discord is Forex trading, but that'll be coming soon. But the main thing about the Discord, the main attraction is the trade alerts. Now, trade alerts are really good because we call out what plays that we're getting into, what price to enter them at, and what percent to take for you to make a profit on it. And that's it. That's how basic the Discord is, meaning that's how easy you can make money without even knowing nothing about a chart. You can just come in here, look, find you a trade that you want to get into, put the money on it, and watch it go up. So that's one major asset to the Discord that everybody likes. And it's right here under trade alerts. It actually has its own channel. So when you click on it, when you're in the Discord, you can just scroll up and you'll find different plays, different charts. And we won't get into charts yet, but we do have charts and we will tell you how those work. I know that looks Chinese to some people, but we will make that look like it's child's play after a couple of weeks with us. So after going through that, we have options. Like I said, you can get an option play or a cryptocurrency play with no problem. And also the stocks that we call out, you can also just put 5, 10 bucks on that stock, watch it go up, get your 5, 10% and get out of it. So that's one big one that everybody likes to go to. The next one we have is the portfolio building. Portfolio building goes out to everyone. Every time we buy something in one of our portfolios, either mine or Queen's, we put it in here. We tell you we bought either a fractional share or a full share of it. So this will help you build your portfolio for the people that don't want to trade because,
How,
trading does take a lot. Oh, question?
yeah, how often do you put those out? Because I know at one point I was in the one-on-one class and actually made money off of um the trades, but how often does these come on the
Okay,
Discord?
if you look up right here, I'm highlighting the Queen Flex add into portfolio. If you look right to the right, this is
Mhm.
the 15th, this is 16th,
Oh, okay.
17th,
Oh, daily.
21.
Okay,
So
cool.
eh, yeah, almost daily for the portfolio building. When we're buying shares, we don't buy them daily, but since we trade, anytime we make a profit, we usually buy some type of share of something, a little bit of it. So that's what we do with our money that we make trading. So most of the time we
Okay.
do buy daily, but that's just
Okay.
for the portfolio building. Now for the trade alerts are options is from 9 to 4:30. Cryptocurrency futures are 24/7, or even just regular cryptocurrency is 24/7.
Okay,
So
cool.
now we're gonna come down a little bit to crypto alerts because we're talking about crypto. So we have 15-minute alerts, meaning this will alert you almost every 15 minutes on a 15-minute time frame if this asset is gonna go short or long. So right now the time is, well, this came out at 4:15. It says short BTC on the 15-minute chart. Meaning if you have a way to trade crypto futures, you will go to BTC, which is Bitcoin, go to the 15-minute chart, which I'll pull up real quick. So we have BTC right now. You go to the 15-minute time frame and see, oh, it's red, it's coming down. So then you'll put your short on it. You'll put your order in, and you might have caught it this whole way down, all the way down to here. Because if we look at the time, 4:15, that will be right around here when that trade was called up, right in this area. So you could have picked up that trade at this particular time and held it and still hold it right now as it's going back up because you bought it down here. So that's one of the best things about the Discord, where these alerts go off 24/7, 365. Now we have 15-minute alerts, 30 minutes, 1 hour, and daily alerts that go off. So you can't go wrong with having a community that will help you pick a trade, make some money, get the hell out the trade, call it a day. Now, let's see what else we have in here that's good. We have the crypto watch list. Where do we put that at? Now, the crypto watch list is something else that you can also add to your portfolio. I mean, add these coins to your portfolio or literally just put them on your watch list. These are coins that seem to have big drops or big gains, and they're at a good area to where they should go right back up. So this is a good buy point for this particular asset. I think this is, yep, FIDA. That's not on my list tonight, but this is something, free that we're giving out right now. FIDA. It was up
How do you know if
to
it's a long or a short though?
right now, looking at this chart, when you have a squeeze, which is coming right here, it's squeezing in between these two. This is a resistance up here. I mean, this is support resistance. I think I got that backwards. I'm sorry. If you put that in the chat, I'm having a blonde moment, Queen. But right here, it's building to go in one direction or the other. The reason why we know
Okay.
it's going to go up is because it's consolidating all the way across, and it came from way up here. If you look at the left of the screen, it dropped all the way down here, has some nice spikes up, but it's still retraced all the way back down. So
So
now,
basically the red is the sell, the green is the buy.
yep. So
Okay,
right
got it.
now, it's consolidating, meaning it's squeezing together. There, everybody don't know what it's going to do, and usually the tighter it gets, the bigger jump it has. So right now, it's awful low. It's down to 27 cents when it was at $1.20, maybe even higher than that. So basically, we're gearing up for it to go back to at least the 70 to 80 cent range from 27 cents. So that'll be
Wow.
4 times your money if you get in.
Okay.
So that's what the crypto watch list does. It just gives you different buy points, different setups, and lets you know, hey, what's it doing? The consolidation, and consolidation is good And if you take classes with Queen, which I'll go over towards the end of the the Zoom, you take classes with Queen, she will teach you what consolidation is, how to look for consolidation, so on and so forth. And you can get those type of classes in the live schedule. You just won't get them with Queen. Maybe she's free to give you a class. Sometimes she is, sometimes she isn't. But most of the time, you'll definitely get somebody else. Put it that way. But going over the crypto watch list is very easy to get into these coins and make some money on it and get out of them. And that's what the whole Discord is all about. It's just helping people make money. You know, we're in this position because we try to help everybody else get money, point blank, period. And I'm not a hater. You know what I mean? I don't want to hate because I'm not trying to block my blessings. So I try to do what I could do to improve on everybody else's basically money. It's just that simple. Like I
That's
talked about
right.
last week, everybody talks about wealth, but we got to get rich first before we get wealthy. You know what I mean? And working a 9 to 5 ain't gonna get us rich, but if we take that money, it will make sure we can get at least rich to become wealthy.
I got
So what
another
else?
question. Does it give out news? Like the news that's coming in, there's a lot of stuff that's
Oh,
happening in the crypto market right now. Does the
yeah,
Discord give you that information as well?
yes, ma'am. If you go to morning news, it gives you the news from stocks and crypto, what's going on in the world.
Okay. Okay,
You
cool.
also have the world news feed. It'll let you know what's going on. Obviously, world
Yes.
news. So it'll let you know who's at war, what other
Because
people are
that
paying for
changes the
oil.
market.
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
Then we have the daily calendar, which is just let you know what's going on during the day. If Jerome Powell is speaking, a lot of people don't know who Jerome Powell is, but he's I call him the leader of the free world, but that's just my
Hmm.
little nickname for him. But anyway, anytime you hear him speak, 9 out of 10, the market will drop.
The
And when
market.
I mean you hear
Yep.
him speak, he'll just say hello and the market will drop. But take
Yes.
that for a grain of salt. But all that type of information is in here. Job claims, um, oil numbers, jobless claim numbers, everything, all that type of stuff will be in your daily calendar to let you know what day it comes out and what time it is. Now, notable earnings, this is basically for stocks and option traders. When earnings come out, either the stock usually goes for a big run or a big drop, either or. But you do your due diligence, you can make a lot of money playing the earnings and running up a nice little bag, figuring out what stock is going to take off next. But with the notable earnings, you definitely make some money on that, and that is also in the Discord. Now to go down a little more, I'm going to hit you off with the free indicators that Queen puts out. Now these indicators can go on your TradingView charts, which is what I had up earlier. That is TradingView. You can put those indicators on there. All you gotta do is transfer them over to your TradingView and plug them in, and you'll get the same indicators that Queen has on her charts. Not a lot of people give that stuff out, but that's in here. Now we also have our own personal channels where Queen puts out her own personal plays besides the one that she calls out. And you can also talk to her, ask her questions in here. You can go down to Tavon's truck stop. He lets you know when he's in stuff, when he gets out of it, how the trade is doing. Also a good place to chat it up with certain people. Oh, thank you. We also have Diamond Hands Bams. This is his channel. You come here, chat it up with him. Cryptocurrency genius to the next level. Will definitely get you through everything. He is also a full-time trader, so he does not play around. We also offer prop firm alerts. Now, prop firm is something that's a little different. This is stock futures. If you get into the Discord, we would definitely walk you through that. That's a whole different topic than what we're doing today. But we do offer that in the services too. And other than that, this is where we'll go. Let's see. We got different resources in here. She tells you what's going on with different particular stocks, why they're moving, why they're not moving, what you can expect from them to do, what type of handle setup they're having. All that stuff is in here. And like I said, you can just actually have a nice conversation and really figure out certain things that you have questions on. Let's see. And other than that, we have some other things in here where Let's see, where's the other good one at? We have announcements. Anytime she does giveaways, Queen does, give out crypto from time to time. She also gives out free classes from time to time. So those type of announcements will be in here, and the giveaway winners will be put in the giveaway section. So that's a little bit about the Discord. So if anybody wants to join the Discord, it is $100 per month, basically $25 a week. You can't beat that. And like I said, you get all that stuff that we went over for that $100 a month. And if you start off paying $100 a month and you can have $200 in your crypto account, you can have $200 in your stock account, damn near guaranteed to make your $100 a month back with no problem within that first week. So that is the Discord, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's get to the crypto course. Basically, like I said, I gotta check the chat to see who doesn't have a place to trade. Okay, we just got one person. Okay, so one needs a. Okay, so Miss J, I will need you to download Blofin, Blofin, and you will sign up just like any other normal website you'll sign up for. Put your name, all that stuff in. It's gonna take maybe 10, 15 minutes or whatever. But after you get in there, your next thing you need to do is deposit some money. Now, if anybody's on here who doesn't know how to deposit money, usually you can go right to the spot account, go to trade. Oh, wrong one. Sorry about that. That's why we have markets. Let me check markets. I haven't bought too much on here. I usually just transfer money from different sites, but we're going to do this one real quick. Here we go. Buy crypto. I knew it was somewhere. So you're going to go to your overview and buy crypto. Type in how much money you want in crypto. And on the bottom, it will give you your options to make a payment, MasterCard or Visa. And that's it. And then when your money is deposited, it will appear in USDT because you'll be purchasing USDT. And then you're able to buy cryptocurrency. Now, how we purchase cryptocurrency is, besides using your credit card, if you have your money in there already, USDT, we're going to go find something to buy. Let's see. Let's buy some BTC. So whenever you want to buy something, all you got to do is go to the asset, click on the asset appears. Now I have $10 available in USDT. So depending on how much I want to purchase, this is futures.
What is USDT?
United States dollar tether.
Oh, okay,
It's
so that's the
basically,
fiat.
yeah, it's the fiat version of the cryptocurrency of the fiat that you need, of cash
Okay.
money.
All right.
Okay, so after the money is in there, you will click buy at market because we're just purchasing first time purchasing. So you don't want to get too freaky with putting the limit order in yet. If you have $10 in there, this bar right here represents how much money you have. So 50% of $10 is 5. So we're gonna buy $2.50 worth of Bitcoin if that lets us. I think it will let me. Hit buy BTC. It will give you order confirmation. It will let you know how much it is, how much you're getting. You hit confirm. It says success. And now you come back up to your assets up on top right, click overview. Just let you know everything you have. You will go to your spot account because that's where you were just trading at. And there you have it. You're the proud owner of $2.05 of BTC. That's with the fees and all the other stuff comes into play. They're going to take a little bit. Everybody takes a little bit of everything. So it's not too bad, but hey, it's a little bit of something. But just to show, now you got $2 of BTC. And after that, you're off to the races. You just keep depositing money each week, 10, 15, 20 bucks. Transfer to different coins each week. I suggest and always buy both. You know what I mean? If you got 50 bucks, buy something, one thing, $50 this week. Next thing, purchase something else. The week after that, purchase something else. They do
You
have to
make
where
more money, you make more money doing that and putting it into crypto than you do putting it into your own savings account. You can turn
you make
over,
you make
you
more
know, a lot
money
of
doing that.
interest.
Exactly. Then there's a lot of people who also, I don't know if anybody out here does it, but there's a lot of people who play scratch offs. You play the lotto, you know what I mean? That type of money, that little $2 here, $3 here, there, can go right into crypto, and over 2, 3, 4 years, that money you can actually turn that little bit
Thousands.
of change into thousands of dollars with no problem,
Yes,
not even realizing what you're doing.
exactly. Exactly.
So so right now, the reason why we're talking about Blowfin is because Blowfin is where we can trade crypto futures at also. Meaning, if you don't have a lot of money, you don't think, hey, putting $5 on each coin per week is going to bring you anything. That's when we trade crypto futures. Now, crypto futures is basically a guessing game of, do you think it's going to go up or you think it's going to go down over a long-term period of time or a short-term period of time, depending on whenever you want to sell your trade. So with crypto futures, just like we purchased Bitcoin for our portfolio, we are now we are now going to purchase the futures to go with the crypto that we bought, the BTC that we bought in our account. So since Bitcoin right now we're on a red candle, meaning it's going down, meaning it's going down. We're going to play the opposite way because guess what? We wanted to go up. I'm thinking it's going to go back up after this nice drop. So just like you purchasing the coin, we have $7.98 left because we just purchased $2 worth of Bitcoin. So right now, we're going to slide this toggle over to 50%, and I'm going to purchase a long at market, meaning I think Bitcoin's going to go up. Before you do that, we have this thing up here called leverage, which will increase your profit exponentially or increase your loss exponentially, suspiciously. Yeah, that big word with an E. So the higher the number, the quicker it goes. The lower the number, the slower it goes. So we're going to start with 3x on this one, meaning just in case it goes in our wrong direction, it's not going to take too much money from us since we only have $4 on this play. But $4 on this play can turn into $50 within a week. So right now we're going to hit buy long. We're going to confirm it. And now we just purchased our first futures of Bitcoin right when it was retracing. But so come down here to positions. Right here you see it, BTC, buy 3x. We have $3.42 on it. And that's it. And we can just let that sit there too. So now we have crypto futures running and we have some Bitcoin purchased. Overall, those are two steps right there, two easiest ways to get into cryptocurrency when you hear somebody's talking about a bull run. If you're, watching, going down your algorithm and you're seeing people talking about, oh, this is moving, this is moving. If you have Blowfin, they have a couple other websites I will give out later, but this one I trade on. But if you have Blowfin, you hear people saying, hey, XRP is really moving right now. You can just come to Blowfin, make sure you got some money in your futures, type in XRP. Like, okay, it's moving, so I'm about to put some money on it because I don't have enough money to buy a lot of coins, but I could definitely put some money on it to make at least 20, 30 bucks or at least 50, 60%. So right now we have two trades in. We have Bitcoin and XRP. And right now we're up 1% on one and 0.30 on the other. But that's how fast you can make money. Now, the analogy I like to give people is if you start with 1,000, you only need to make 10% on 5 trades a day. It's not that hard to get 10% on 5 trades a day. Even if you're not a full-time trader, if you have a full-time job, you can work 12 hours a day. The Discord can find you 5 trades that will give you 10% a day. So what I mean by that, so if you have $1,000, 10%, that's 100. So you do that 5 times, that's $500 a day off $1,000 investment. You'll make your money, half your money back in one day. You make your whole investment back in 2 days. And then after that, the third day is all profit. Now, yes, people take losses, so don't get me wrong. Don't put nothing more than you're not willing to lose. But my thing is, there's people that say, they have paper trading, meaning you're not using your real money. But I look at it like this, a ship is safe as that shore, but that's not what it's meant for. You know what I mean? My thing is you lose your money because you can lose $100,000 on a paper account, a paper trading account, but then you can lose $10 on a real account and be devastated. You know what I mean? Losing 100,000 on a paper trading account is nothing because it's not really your money. It doesn't have that same effect of you putting $20 in and losing $10. You know what I mean? That might blow, you might be devastated for a week. You might not want to trade ever again because you lost $10. But if you lose 100,000 in paper trading, it's like, okay, let me just hit this reset button and we'll just start over. So I always tell people, put real money in it. You don't have to put a lot in it, 20, $30, and see what it does and goes over. So I know I went through that a little fast, not as fast as I went through last week, but are any questions on how to trade or buy cryptocurrency or trade a future? Thanks, Ben, for the KX option. Oh, and I got $100 giveaway. I'm about to do that. Okay, now to the next thing then, since there's no questions, we're gonna go to my list of coins I like to give out towards the end of all my little shindigs I give out. I had to write them down because there's quite a few of them. But first things first, I'm going to give you guys a list of different websites that I use to buy all my coins at. Um, this is getting recorded, so if you like to record it, so you don't have to write it down, don't worry about writing it down. But I'm just going to give them out. Definitely, you would like to get a Coinbase wallet, actual Coinbase, the website too, crypto.com. You would like to get a MetaMask wallet because we have PancakeSwap that I like to go over next time. PancakeSwap is an awesome website that you trade crypto. You get new cryptocurrencies that's not on a lot of different websites. And you also are able to stake and mine most of the coins on PancakeSwap, which gives you money for putting your coins into a little pool. But like I said, all that stuff, if you want to learn it, join the Discord. We'll go over all that cool stuff with you. But like I said, MetaMask wallet, Uniswap, UNISWAP. That's another one. Bitmark, BITMART. Uphold, I got Uphold because COS is cheap on there and I like buying COS. Glowfin, which I trade my futures on. Did I say crypto.com already? I think I said crypto.com. So those are most of the crypto sites that I use to get everything that I have or anything that you see in the Discord. You can get most of like 98% of the coins on those sites I just gave out. Now for options and uh, options and stock futures, we do use Tradeovate, which is linked up to TradingView, so that's a good thing to do. Webull, Robinhood, Moomoo. Let's see what else. TD Ameritrade. Those are all good option platforms. But the only thing with the option platform, we like Robinhood and Webull because they're cheaper to trade your options. TD Ameritrade, I think they charge $4 or $5 per trade. So if you're trying to buy a $40 option and you have $41 in your account, you won't be able to get that option on those type of platforms. But on Webull and Robinhood, you're able to get those particular trades because it only costs like 3 cents per option trade. Okay, what's next? Now get your pins ready because here comes the coins. I gave out some last week, so these are a couple of the new ones. These are also ones that I'm holding, and the bull run is about to end, maybe in June, like I talked about. So all these coins, they're all long holds. I'm not selling nothing till I'm 50. I know I look like I'm 20 something. I'm actually 45, so it's only 5 years from now. So I'm gonna be selling pretty soon. But I'm gonna hold it for that long. But if you're 20, 25, you want to hold them till you're 40, you'll be a millionaire holding these coins. But the older you are, the less you gotta hold them, just the more money you put in them. And we'll go from there. But the first one is ACH. I'm gonna give you the tickers, and you can add them into your crypto.com. You can put them on Google and different places like that and go from there and catch those. I have them on my slide, but these ones aren't on the slide. I ain't put these ones on the slide. The slide will be coming up. So we got ACH, AERO, AGIX, LINK, AVAX, QNT, and TAO. I did have it on this list. I didn't think I had it on here. Okay, so if you check out the screen, oops, wrong button. There you go. If you check out the screen, I make it bigger for you guys. These are all the newer ones, different ones from last week. We are invested in all these. We have a little bit of everything. Like I said, all the platforms I gave you, you can get all these coins on all the different platforms. And like I said before, Coin Market Cap is the greatest place to link all your shit together, add all your coins in to make sure you can keep track of all your different coins. I do have hold on 1 second, let me reach it here. Man, can't reach it. Well, I do have a Tandem wallet and we have a Ledger X. These are off cold storage wallets where we put our coins at after we get them on different crypto sites. Rule of thumb is you don't want more than $1,000 on crypto sites worth of coins that you're holding for long term. So you want to pull them off and put them on a cold storage wallet. So we usually add ours to our Nano Ledger X wallet or our what's the thing? Tandem wallet. But both of those are good places to store. You know what I mean? Mine is on a card, or you get basically like having a little brain fart on this thing. But that little thing that everybody puts in their the little computer thingy, the little computer chippy. But anyway, you put your coins on there, then you always have them in a nice secure place. If any website actually drops, it doesn't matter because your coins are off and they're nice and safe. You know what I mean? So definitely want to look into putting your coins somewhere else besides those places. Besides keeping them on platforms, especially if you're investing big and you got, 2,000 here, 5,000 here, 8,000 there, get them coins off them websites just in case, because anything happened, so it's always good to store your coins on the offs, or cold storage wallets. So now, happy everybody got these coins. Now, are there any questions on anything? Pulling up the chat, looking through. No
Hey, Cheeks.
questions.
Cheeks, just
All right.
another good
Hey,
class. I appreciate you taking the time to do the class again. And
oh,
I would just
thank you, man.
attest that this is the best place to be if you are a 9 to 5 person and you don't have the time, the energy, and the resources to do the research on the plays. Like I said, when I started almost 2 years ago, the $100 a month within that first month, I flipped that $100 just with the information, almost $1,500, and that's just me just waiting on Queen to call out plays. She only call out A+ setups. So like I said, the $100 a month is nothing compared to if you actually just use the information and put the play. If you just listen to what she tells you to do, you'll make 10 times the money that you're investing in on that $100 a month. So yeah, man, good job, man.
Thank you, sir.
And
And
we're
he's
here as
not
well.
lying.
There's other people here as well. I know Queen is busy. Cheeks, I know he's in and out. He has a 9 to 5, but we have a group of full-time traders here, including myself, that, you know, if one of them aren't available, if you see me on the Discord, if you see me available, feel free to shoot me a question, and I'm more than happy to help as well. And I hope you guys decide to join this Discord because it's well worth it.
Appreciate
Just
you,
to pig-
ma'am. Appreciate you.
Just to piggyback off of what he was saying, I joined the Discord almost 2 years ago. And he's correct. That $100, you're gonna make that $100. You can put down $5, start with $5, $10, but that $100 that you sign up for the Discord is gonna pay for whatever you do in the trading triple fold. You're gonna see your money. It's guaranteed. So she does a great job and she's always on top of everything. So it's not a waste. If we can go out and eat pizza, and throw away $100 at the pizza shop or, whatever. It's definitely something that you want to think about.
Thank you so much. And yes, it is. Overall, like I said, she does it 24/7. She eats, sleeps, Discord. She makes sure
Yep.
everything is right. She makes sure people make money because that's her biggest thing. It's only $100, $25 a week. So we don't charge too much. You know what I mean? There are people who charge more and they're worth it. And we can charge a lot more, but she just doesn't. We would like people to have money to trade and be able to make money on that too. So thank you both for saying that because it was well worth it. And thanks everybody for coming. Shout out to the A-Town Rebel Riders for coming through. Thank you so much for being here. And thanks everybody else for being here too. Like I said, hopefully to see you in the Discord. My office manager is on point. So if you have any questions, email the email that you got everything sent to, and the office manager will get back to you with all your questions answered. And her
Thank
name is
you.
Joe Layla. She is the youngest one, well, the second youngest one of the family. So she is part of the business now. So she's ecstatic. So please shoot her email for anything, and she'll definitely be happy about it. But that's
Thank you.
all I have for you guys today. Till next time, like I said, anytime I throw up a class, if we're on the email list, I'll put it out there. And like I said, I'll probably do one a month just to keep people's interest going.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Let me stop this recording. And I will see you guys on the flip side. Thanks everybody for chilling with me this evening.
Thank
All
you.
right.
Let's
All
go
right. Thank
Bills.
you.
Thank
Let's
you.
go
Thank you.
Bills. I don't know about y'all, but I'm going, let's go Bills.
Eagles, Eagles, Eagles.
Eagles, what?
Hey,
The Eagles won.
We
Eagles
won.
won, but let's go Bills.
Yeah,
We
Go
got
Bills. Eagle won.
Yep.
Eagle
That's
gonna
right.
win the whole thing. Eagle
Oh,
win
my
the whole.
husband wanted the Bills, so he said the Eagles gonna beat them.
Yeah, Eagles gonna win the whole thing.
As long as the Bills win tonight, I'll be happy because then my parlay will hit. So that's all I
All
care
right.
about.
That's it.
Let's
All
roll.
right, like,
Good night.
have a good night,
Have a good night,
everybody.
you guys. All right. Bye-bye.
Till next time.
All right. That was a problem. That was a problem.